Hello everyone, my name is Abul and I'm making this video presentation for my class project. So this is the database that I have chosen for my project Objectivity. You can know more details about this Objectivity at objectivity.com. So this is objectivity.com. You can know more details about here. Now I'll walk you through the presentation that I've prepared. So let me introduce something about this database. It's a object-oriented database and it supports object-oriented programming like C++ and Java. It's a high-performance and scalable object database. It also maximizes the existing infrastructure, but you don't have the new file system. It uses HDFS file system and it supports data analytics and big data. It provides a single logical view rather having multiple views of multiple data. If you have the data across the network, you can have the single logical view of the data. So these are the partners who supports the development of Objectivity database. Now here are the few things which motivated me to choose this database. It allows me to build the log servers onto the application servers, which is very easy and it is very easy to implement, and it reduces the network traffic. This Objectivity database supports various different platforms which includes Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Windows, everything, both 32-bit and 64-bit. It includes APIs for C, C++, Java, Python, etc. All the data in this database is stored in the form of objects and are interoperable. You can access it from any different platforms. And here are the few characteristics of this database. All the data are manipulated as objects and all the objects have fixed size. And every object is assigned with a unique 32-bit or 64-bit object identifier, and the objects can be accessed using the B-tree indices, list, hashes, everything. So denormalization, aggregates, application side joins are the conceptual techniques used by this database, and enumerable keys, dimensionality reduction, composite key index are the data model techniques used by this database. It also supports batch graph processing. This batch graph processing is supported by the ThinkSpan, and you can add the ThinkSpan plugin to this Objectivity DB. And this is how it enhances the existing infrastructure in HDFS. It is stored as segments. So this is the basic syntax for specifying the file location in HDFS using this Objectivity plugin. So this is the example to create the federation on the HDFS file system and delete the federation on HDFS file system. This is something a bit different from the usual thing that you do in Hadoop. It's very easy to use. And this is the configuration file format. It's written in XML. So if one may be very much good at XML, it's very easy to handle the configuration files in this Objectivity. And let me conclude my presentation with this conclusion. But before that, I'll show you a website. This is highly scalable.wordpress.com. It shows all the data models and all the concepted techniques that are available for a NoSQL database. It's a good website that I went through. It's highly scalable.wordpress.com. So as a conclusion, I'm saying that this database is very easy to implement and very easy to use for any user who are very much good at Hadoop and HDFS, and you don't have to learn any new language or you don't have to implement the new file system. You can use the existing file system, that is HDFS. And it includes this Objectivity includes two parts: Objectivity DB, which is object oriented, and ThinkSpan, which is a graph database, and it can be easily integrated using the available plugins, and it is very useful for more complex real-time applications and data processing techniques. Thanks for watching this video. For more references, use the below two links.